When it comes to building a successful YouTube channel, finding the right niche is crucial. Not only does it help you target the right audience, but it can also lead to higher revenue and more opportunities for you. That is why I want to talk about high paying niches on YouTube in this video that can help you maximize your earnings. Yes, it can help you maximize your earning. Just pay attention to this video and watch it to the very end. If this video is something you would love to watch, just share it, engage in the comment section, like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Let's dive in. Finding profitable niches can be tough, yes, especially for new creators, big creators like you and I. Yes, you might have a general idea of what you are passionate about, but turning that into a profitable channel is a different story. All right, many content creators struggle to find a niche that resonates with their audience. Yes, they find it very difficult to find that perfect niche that actually resonates with their audience. I had this experience. I have been in that shoe. Yes, where I create different content trying to find that right audience. But at the end, I have to jump into YouTube what tutorial about channels growth. That was when my channel start doing amazing, and that is when I found my targeted audience. And it brings in the big box. Yes, it is frustrating because you are creating content that you think people would love. Yes, but it's just not translating to views and revenues. Yes, one of the biggest mistakes creators make is chasing after niches that are overly saturated. You think, oh, gaming is popular. I will just make a gaming channel. I will just open a gaming channel because gaming, you think gaming is popular. But the reality is, gaming is one of the most competitive niches out there. And it is hard to stand out. Yes, if you cannot create content that is relatable, it is hard to stand out. And you need to think outside the box and find niches that have a high demand but low competition. Yes, many creators also get caught up in creating content that they think will go viral. Yes, they are focusing on short-term gains rather than building a sustainable and reliable channel. The problem is viral content is unpredictable. Yes, and it is hard to recreate that success consistently. It is hard to keep creating on that successful videos consistently. Yes, technology is one of the highest paying niches on YouTube. Yes, with new gadgets and software emerging every day, there is a huge demand for reviews, tutorials, and comparison. Yes, take a channel like Unbox Therapy. Yes, Unbox Therapy. For example, they have built a massive followers and subscriber by focusing on high quality product reviews and unboxing videos. Yes, that is what this channel does. Unbox Therapy. Another example is a tech reviewer, Jerry Ring Everything. Sounds funny, right? When I was making this research and I bumped into this name, it sounds so funny to me. Jerry Rings Everything. Jerry Ring Everything, who is known for his in-depth reviews of the latest smartphones and laptops. Yes, this channel is actually known to be a relatable channel. Yes. Another high-paying niches is finance. Finance is another lucrative niche that is often overlooked. Yes, with more people taking control of their financial lives. There is a huge demand for personal finance advice, investing tips, and budgeting strategies. Channels like Dave Ramsey and Graham Stephan have built massive followers and audience by sharing their expertise on personal finance and wealth building. Yes. Another one is health and well-being is a high-paying niche that is highly in demand. With the rise of health consciousness, people are looking for advice on fitness, nutrition, and mindfulness. Take a channel like Fitness Blender. For example, they have built a massive and incredible audience by offering free workout routines and healthy recipes. Yes. Lifestyle is a broad niche that encompasses everything from travel to fashion to lifestyle design. Yes, channel like The Blonde Abroad and Mark Wentz have built massive and incredible community by sharing their travel adventures and cultural experiences. Yes, this is this channel that's, oh my god, I don't want to make this video long. Just right now, one of the most lucrative niches on YouTube is education. Yes, with the rise of online learning, people are looking for high quality educational content that can help people or that can help them upskill or reskill. Yes, take a channel like Crash Course, for example. They have built a massive followers and audience by offering engaging educational videos on a range of subjects from science to history. Yes, this is what brought this channel to elevation. This is what carried this channel to a high mountain. What makes education so profitable is the fact that it is a high demand niches. If you don't know it today. It is a high demand niches that is not oversaturated. There are still so many topics that haven't been covered, and creators who can offer high quality educational content that can build a massive followers and community and earn significant revenues. Yes. So if this video is something that you have learned and something that you have been wanting to watch, just why haven't you subscribed? Yes, subscribe. So, in summary, some of the highest paying niches on YouTube today include technology, finance, health, lifestyle, and education. Yes, by choosing the right niche, you can increase your revenue potential and build a successful channel. Trust me on this one. So, tell me, which niches resonate with you the most? Let me know in the comment section below. And if you want to learn more about niche marketing strategies, check out on my next video or check out on any of my next video. I'm still going to update you guys. All right, make sure you like this video, engage in the comment section. I want to make sure that I see your comments in the comment section. Drop those most profitable niches you think that you want to join. All right, subscribe to our channel and turn on your notification bell so you wouldn't want to miss out on my next upload. Bye.